All right, hello. Today is June 28th. Here's my quick trade recap today. Today was a travel day for me, so I didn't get much trading done. I was only in front of the charts for about, maybe 45 minutes. I did want to make a trade just to get a trade in, which ended up being a losing trade because I tried to force it. No big deal. It was a very small loss. I can't show you my account balances or the profit and loss because it's late in the day and it reset. But I lost about $100 per account, so pretty small loss. Um, so let's look at that. It was in oil right here. So this was just the time when I happened to be in front of the computer. I was trying to do it from the car, but my internet connection was spotty and it kept dropping, and so it was too risky. So once we got someplace I could sit down, I just took what showed up, and this was it. And wasn't a great one. This is 2:30 in the afternoon my time, so this isn't a good trade really because later in the day the 9 EMA isn't as reliable. But I thought I'd give it a try anyway. So we have a touch. I entered right on the break, um, and it just slowly moved up, and so I went ahead and moved my stop down. Now, ironically enough, eventually it did move down, but that's not what I'm waiting for. So let's look at it earlier in the day to see if there was a trade. So if we zoom forward, this is what I look for. Um, and let me get this out of here. I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully you can't see it. So in the morning, price comes up to the overnight open, drops down, reaches way down, touches that gold line, is supported by the 1 minute 9, touches the 5 minute 9, and then there you have it. So your entry would have been at the break of this candle right here. Okay, so one tick up from that was 83, and it went 83 to 09. So 20 ticks right there. So great trade. That would have been the trade, and I would have been done for the day. So that was it. If we flip over to RTY, RTY was really choppy this morning. I'm almost glad that I didn't get a chance to watch this. Whenever this 21 SMA is flat, it's just really dangerous. I would have stayed out of any of this. Technically, it did get retested here and pushed up, but that's not a good entry. It broke down below it. It would have been speculative to get in there. This would have been a good entry, however. We have a break below the 9 EMA. We have a candle close below the overnight open. It pushes back up to a recent pivot high. It's not as high as this one, but because we have the reset, I would have been okay with this because now we have higher lows, we have higher highs, and then we have a rejection right off of that EMA. And this one ran, so from what, 65 up to, heck, if you went all the way up to here to 73.10. So 88, 81 ticks. So that would have been a really nice trade. And this happened at 10:30 my time, which is a little late for me, but they're still there. That's the trade. So that's my recap for today. I am traveling, but I will have time to sit in front of the computer Thursday and Friday. Hopefully we'll get some good trades in, and we'll be able to share those with you. So there you have it. Until next time.